Newamstar is the expert and leader of high-end liquid, beverage, packing machinery, the founder of Future Ideal Factory, and the practitioner of green smart manufacture in China. Newamstar has manufactured the first energy efficiency and ultra-speedy blowing filling capping combi block with 80,000 bph in China. Its 7th generation aseptic filling technology has pioneered the world, while its intelligent stereoscopic warehousing system has led the industry. From one field to 5 fields, from domestic leader to international reputation, Newamstar has achieved an unprecedented position in the industry, which has gained the attention of the whole world. With almost 500 patents and over 30 China firsts, Newamstar makes the beauty of made in China bloom and shows to the whole world the quality of Chinese products, the innovation of Chinese design, and the strength of made in China, thus becoming one of the excellent representative of Chinese equipment going out. Newamstar keeps to the goal of being the world-leading supplier of liquid packaging solutions. Taking innovation as the guide, the opportunity, and the foundation, it sticks to smart design, smart R&D, smart manufacture, aiming at the realization of seamless connection to international technology and standards. Innovation drives development, while quality wins market. Newamstar opens a new mode of value competition and service success, and leads the industry of liquid packaging machinery so as to pursue the road of high-level manufacture, smart manufacture, and green manufacture. Being a respectable enterprise and being a sustainable development enterprise, Newamstar, through the deepening of management reform, optimizes individual and organizational capability and pushes the company to a smart growth. Newamstar insists on the ideology of human orientation, builds the highland of enterprise culture, and shows the humanistic concern. Standing on the tide of Internet, Newamstar thoroughly implements the strategy of Internet Plus and organically combines technology innovation with objective management so as to help clients achieve success in the era of digital industry. Newamstar leads to plant digitization and information into industry upgrade under the highly efficient 3D design tool Creo and advanced wind chill R&D management platform. With the help of intelligent remote equipment maintenance and monitoring technology, it builds an integrated platform of remote maintenance and data analysis, which realizes the sharing and communication of production information and data, thus easily implementing the full life cycle service for equipment. With the adherence to the client thinking, Newamstar builds the differentiated service of going beyond the client expectation and transcending the industry standards. With quicker action, professional techniques, and considerate service attitudes, it provides comprehensive, considerate, and careful service so as to help clients achieve a good and healthy development. Chinese equipment, world equipment. Under the promotion of China's One Belt, One Road strategy, a road of mutual communication, mutual benefit, and win-win gracefully extends to the future. Newamstar, based at the city of Jiangsu, also vigorously extends herself to the world. Nearly 2,000 production lines run smoothly all over the world, in different regions of different latitudes and altitudes, and manufacture efficient, energy-saving, and safe products, which has covered over 70 countries and regions. Help clients to build an ideal factory and help employees to build their ideal life. Newamstar, closely keeping up with Industry 4.0 pace, marches forward to the Made in China 2025 and creates a brilliant era of Made in China. Newamstar shoulders social responsibility, pursues green development, and continues to build a healthy, happy, and bright future for people. In the spirit of craftsmen, Newamstar is going to put the pressure on herself. Work hard in reunion, explore with innovation, and march towards the road on China Made to China Innovate, Chinese speed to Chinese quality, Chinese products into Chinese brand, so as to build a more splendid future. Newamstar creates and packs a splendid future in the joint hands with you.